Guys, I am sat in a house with a whole lot of boxes behind me. Guess what? We are going to be unboxing on Tuesday. What are we unboxing? We're unboxing UltraStrip. So yes, UltraStrip is actually on its way. I got the notification today to say that it will be with us by Monday. So we are going to be unboxing live on Tuesday. So if you want to see the very first versions of UltraStrip, if you want to see the prototypes, if you want to see what they look like, then, join me on Tuesday. It's going to be so exciting. I'm going to show 3 different types of UltraStrip. So not necessarily 3 different types, but, 2 different types, but 3 different colors. So you're going to get to see what UltraStrip looks like now. And if it is good enough, you can just pop up and buy, because we're still in testing phase. So we're still looking for testers. If you want to come board and be a tester, now is the opportunity to climb on board. This is the point where it's going to be the most economical in terms of prices, because we are testing alongside with us. So if you want a version of the UltraStrip at the dirt cheapest price, then you know what? You need to buy it. Just buy it. Some people are afraid to jump in because they're wondering, is it going to look like we want it to look like? Is it going to be perfect? I'm going to tell you something now. Even if it's not perfect, it's definitely going to be at least on par with currently what's on the market. But we want to build something that is way better than what's on the market. So worst case scenario, you're going to get something that's currently on the market. So yeah, what have you got to lose? But if you're in doubt, wait until Tuesday. Wait until Tuesday when we unveil what UltraStrip looks like. And I also want to show you our UltraStrip color swap. This is our UltraStrip color swap. So these are all the colors, the standard colors that we're going to be providing from an UltraStrip point of view. Doesn't mean that you can't get other colors, but you can get them if you go to an approved salon. So if you go to an Ultrastrand approved salon, you can mix and match with any color that you want, and also any texture that's available. But this is what's going to be available online. So if you went onto our website and UltraStrip is there, these are the colors. Now, yeah, they're great. But guess what we've done? We have listened to what you have said, because you wanted a blonde color. And look what we've done. Yeah, yours truly has added a blonde color to the swatches. So that is a 60A. So you'll be able to get this standard on our website. So in addition to that, hey, let me take you through the colors. Let me take you through the colors. They're all nicely blended. So let's take you through the colors. So check out Dark Beauty. This is Dark Beauty. And let's see. Check out Brown Sugar. Hello, say hello to Brown Sugar. And also what we got, hey, we've got Cool Brown. Hey, Cool Brown in the house. And now let's go through the blondes. So now we have got, this is going to be Blonde Opal. Blonde Opal in the house. There you go. And then we have still got Sun-Kissed Blonde. We decided to keep it in, Sun-Kissed Blonde. And then we have got Diamond Blonde. This is our lightest blonde before we've got the 60A. And just to show you the 60A again, that got in the cut because of your comments, 60A. Here you go. Those are our colors. Those are our standard colors in the UltraStrip. So yeah, you can buy this, and you can buy this online, and this costs you £30 plus VAT. So you can go online. They will be up on Monday. And they might be up on the weekend, actually. So you can buy this strip for £30 plus VAT. And the beauty about this is, if you no longer need it, if you want to give it back to us, you can actually, we will buy it back from you as well. So, because we know sometimes you just want a strip to just figure out what color you want. And once you've decided on the color, you don't want this anymore because it's just hanging around. So if you give it back to us, we'll buy it back from you. So there you go. It's a win-win situation. So yeah, if you want our UltraStrip color ring, then you can go on our website, www.ultrastrand.co.uk, and you can purchase it directly from our website. They are available now. Well, they're not available now, but they will be available by Monday. So, and if you want to dive in with us and be part of the UltraStrip family, in part of the UltraStrip testing crew, now is the chance to do that. It is literally £100 plus VAT. So if you don't live in the UK, it's just £100 because you don't pay the VAT. Did I say that? So there you go. It is a win-win situation. Now's the time to come on board. But I'm telling you again, before I go, we are unboxing. We are taking it out of the box. This is not the box, by the way, but we are taking it out of the box on Tuesday. So you want to climb on board, you want to be with us, don't miss it. Love you guys.